Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular bathroom over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is let's go over here and let's create a mirror over here. Let's take a cylinder over here and I'll just create a mirror. So increase the sides over here and I'll slightly shift this till here. After that, just zoom that. So we have a lot of entities over here for modeling. So we'll be also creating this wash basin over here. For that, again I'll go into this and I'll use one swift loop over here and one over here. So select the vertices R and I'll just scale it and I'll make it straighter. Just scale that. Alright. After that, select this polygons over here. And also if you want, I can slightly shuffle this a bit inside. That's okay. I can select this part. Let's slightly insert it a bit, not much. You can insert it a bit. And let's give a bit of bevel inside and let's click OK. So you can assign bevel over here. For this section tap part, let's again take a cylinder over here. So let's just take a cylinder. Height segments, I'll just reduce that. Convert to editable poly. I'll go into the polygons. I'll slightly scale this. Select this. Extrude it. Slightly push this down again. Insert. Insert is not required. We can give a bit of bevel. The best thing is you can just extrude it and press R and you can scale it. And again extrude this up. So extrude this up. Now insert it. Again extrude this up. Push this down. Use swift loop over here. Select the edges. Go into the vertices. Again select this polygon. Slightly extrude it. And now we'll just select this and extrude it to one side over here. The same way, let's just mirror it. I'll copy it over here. We'll shift it over here. Save your file again. So we can create this. Again, let's take a cylinder over here. Convert to editable poly. Slightly push this down. Select the polygons. Scale it. slightly insert that, extrude it up, so what you can do over here is like you can shift this in this way. I'll go into this side view over here and I can just take a line tool over here. I'll off this auto grid and I can make this part in this way. Go into this rendering, enabling viewport and make it as rectangular. Reduce the length and width in this way. Select the vertices and let's give fillet. So convert to editable poly. Again select the vertices and slightly scale it a bit more inside. And select this vertices and shuffle it apart. Now what I can do is like I'll convert to editable poly again. Go into the polygons and delete that. Select the border and I'll just extrude it. Go into the edge, select the edges. And let's go into this and give a bit of chamfer. So you can assign a bit of chamfer, not much, a bit, and click OK. After that, take again a cylinder. So go into this, reduce a bit of radius, convert to editable poly, push this down, select the polygons and let's give a bit of bevel, or you can just extrude that up. Put one swift loop over here. So select all this polygons. So this details takes time, and let's go into local normal, very less. Just scale that. Okay. So this is going to be much bigger as compared to others. Alright. So just select this and okay. The tap looks a bit smaller. What I'll do is I'll just scale this, make it look a bit bigger. Okay. This is much better. We can shift it till here and shift this till here. So just save your file over here. So this bottles we can make it. We can go into this, take a line tool, I'll off this auto grid and enable in viewport. Alright, after that, slightly push this up and let's give a lathe modifier. So let's assign a lathe modifier over here. Go into the vertices, activate this show end result on this, and we can slightly push this a bit inside. This is push it inside. Looks much better. Select the vertices. Let's give a bit of fillet. Again, select the vertices. You can make it broad if you want, like this. Now looks much better. So select, go into the vertices and slightly shuffle this up. Okay, and let's just make a copy of it. So definitely it's going to take time because there are a lot of elements to model if you see in this. So we'll go slowly one by one. So we have small assets over here. So we have to model each and everything. So guys, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.